Welcome to Tel-one. Today we're exploring how modern businesses are transforming communication by combining VoIP systems with AI receptionists to solve one critical problem call. Handling exists, but smart conversation handling is still missing, and how this powerful combination is changing that completely. Let's start by understanding the gap. Most businesses today already have some form of call handling. They use phone systems, PBX setups, or even VoIP-based solutions that allow them to receive and route calls over the internet. On paper, everything looks fine. Calls come in, they get forwarded, and eventually someone answers. But here's the real issue: handling a call is not the same as handling a conversation. A traditional system can route a call from one line to another. It can forward it to a department. It can even place someone on hold, but it cannot understand why the customer is calling. It cannot respond intelligently. It cannot guide the conversation. So what happens? Customers get transferred multiple times. They repeat the same information again and again. They wait on hold. They get frustrated. And in many cases, they hang up before ever reaching a solution. This is where most businesses lose their edge, not because they don't receive calls, but because they fail to handle conversations effectively. Now let's bring VoIP into the picture. VoIP, or Voice over Internet Protocol, is already a major upgrade from traditional phone systems. It allows businesses to manage calls over the internet instead of physical phone lines. It's flexible, scalable, and cost-effective. With VoIP, you can route calls globally, connect remote teams, manage multiple lines, and integrate with different tools. It creates the foundation for modern communication. But even with all these advantages, VoIP alone still has a limitation. It moves calls efficiently, but it doesn't make them intelligent. That's where AI receptionists come in. An AI receptionist is not just an automated voice system. It is designed to understand natural language, respond in real time, and hold meaningful conversations with customers. Now imagine combining both technologies. VoIP handles the movement of the call. AI handles the conversation inside the call. This is where things become powerful. The moment a customer dials your number, the VoIP system ensures the call reaches your network instantly, no matter where your business is located. Then, instead of waiting for a human, the AI receptionist answers immediately. No ringing, no delay, no missed opportunity. The AI greets the customer professionally, just like a trained receptionist. But instead of following a rigid script, it listens. If the customer says, "I want to know about your security systems," the AI understands the intent. If the customer says, "I need to book an appointment," it processes the request. If the customer has a problem, it begins resolving it. This is real-time understanding, and it doesn't stop there. The AI can ask follow-up questions, gather details, and guide the customer step by step. It can provide information about services like video surveillance, burglar alarms, fire safety systems, or even advanced access control solutions. It can explain, clarify, and assist without putting the customer on hold. And if at any point the conversation requires human involvement, the system doesn't just transfer blindly. It routes the call intelligently through VoIP to the right person, with context already attached. So your team doesn't start from zero. They already know what the customer needs. This is the difference between call handling and conversation handling. One moves calls, the other solves problems. Together, they create a seamless experience. Now let's talk about what this means for your business. First, availability. With VoIP and AI working together, your business becomes 24/7 accessible. It doesn't matter if it's late at night, early morning, or during peak hours. Every call is answered instantly. Second, efficiency. Instead of your team spending time on repetitive queries, the AI handles them automatically. Your staff can focus on high-value tasks while the system manages the flow. Third, consistency. Every customer receives the same professional, accurate, and fast response. There are no variations, no missed details, and no communication gaps. Fourth, scalability. As your business grows, your call volume increases. With traditional systems, this creates pressure. With VoIP and AI, scaling becomes effortless. The system handles more calls without adding more staff. And fifth, customer satisfaction. When customers feel heard, understood, and assisted instantly, their trust in your business increases. And trust leads to conversions. Now let's connect this to real-world implementation. At cloud1a.com, we are building voice AI solutions that integrate seamlessly with modern VoIP systems. This means your business doesn't just receive calls, it understands and responds to them intelligently. Our systems are designed to handle real conversations, not just basic responses. Whether it's inquiries, bookings, support, or service explanations, the AI works as a true extension of your business. And to make this system reliable and powerful, you need the right communication infrastructure. This is where cloud1a.com plays a critical role. From structured cabling to advanced Wi-Fi networking, from secure communication channels to integrated systems like surveillance, alarms, and access control. Everything supports the flow of communication. Because when your infrastructure is strong, your AI performs better. Your VoIP runs smoother. Your entire system becomes more efficient. Think of it as a complete ecosystem. VoIP is the highway that carries the call. AI is the driver that manages the journey. Your infrastructure is the foundation that keeps everything running smoothly. Remove any one of these, and the system becomes weak. But when all three work together, your business operates at a completely different level. Now here's the reality. Customers today don't just want to connect. They want to be understood. They expect fast, accurate, and meaningful responses. If your system only routes calls but doesn't handle conversations, you are leaving a gap. And in business, gaps are where opportunities are lost. So the question is not whether you should upgrade your communication system. The question is, how long can you afford not to? Because while traditional systems are still catching up, smart businesses are already using VoIP and AI together to create seamless, intelligent customer experiences. They are answering faster. They are responding smarter, and they are converting more. So if you want your business to stay competitive in today's fast-moving world, it's time to move beyond basic call handling. It's time to bring intelligence into your communication. Visit cloud1a.com to explore how voice AI can work alongside your VoIP systems to transform the way you interact with customers. And discover how cloud1a.com can provide the infrastructure needed to support this transformation reliably and securely. Because the future of communication is not just connected, it's intelligent. This is Tel-one, where we take real business challenges and turn them into smart, scalable solutions using technology that works in the real world. If you found this valuable, make sure to like, share, and subscribe and stay connected as we continue to explore how businesses can grow smarter, faster, and stronger with the right technology in place.